Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 2. So I'm going to explain you lookup array, lookup vector and lower lookup array. This function looks for a piece of information in a list and then picks an item from this last cell in the adjustment row column. Formula details, lookup, then what to look for, and then range to looking. Is any formatting is required? No special formatting is needed. This is very useful formula in Excel. So please check the same from your side. Repeating again, this function looks for a piece of information in a list and then picks an item from the last cell in the adjustment row column. And then no formatting required to perform this Excel formula, and complete details available in description box, so you can copy and paste the same for your future reference, but please make sure to subscribe this channel. Lookup vector, this is slightly different. This function looks for a piece of information in a list and then picks an item from a second range of cells. Formula details, lookup, what to look for, range to looking, and range to pick up from. Formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed. Guys, if you are facing any difficulties to understand this formula, so we have a separate videos in which we already explained every single Excel formula like lookup array, lookup vector using multiple examples. So might be that will be more helpful to you to understand how this formula works. Otherwise, complete details, this video details available in description box. Lower formula, this function converts all character in a piece of text to lowercase. Repeating again, very simple. This function converts all character in a piece of text to lowercase. Formula details, just need to mention lower, LWOER, text to convert, and then bracket close and then enter. All the text would be converted into lowercase. Formatting required or not? No special formatting is needed, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel. We have a separate videos in which we already explained lower array, lower vector, and lookup array, lookup vector, and lower with multiple examples. And in part 1 we already explained large, LCM, left and length formula. Again, please make sure to subscribe this channel. Try to perform this Excel formula in your Excel sheet, and please share your feedback so that we'll try to improve ourselves. Have a great Excel knowledge, have a great future, and thank you so much, guys.